What is going on, lads? Welcome back to another video. Now you join me today, we have got the Focus inside the barn. We're going to be attempting to fit the Zunsport grills to the car. I picked them up off Zunsport. Go and check them out. I literally ordered them like 2 days ago and they came straight away, except for the fact I ordered the wrong grill for the lower one. So I've been waiting a little bit longer as I had to send the one I originally ordered back so that one could be sent to me. But they were really helpful, really great guys, so I definitely recommend them. Go and check them out. I'll put the link in the description so you can pick up these grills for yourself if you want to. But if you go ahead and enjoy the video, make sure to drop it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's get straight into it. We're going to start off with the lower grill, try and get that out one way or another, and then fit the lower Zunsport grill, and then we'll move on to the upper grill and the number plate which I've got for the car. So yes, should be looking pretty sick. It's definitely like the must-do mod for these cars. So I've been waiting to do this one for a little while now, and we've finally got around to doing it. So yes, let's go ahead, get straight into it. Make sure to drop the video a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in a second. Right lads, so it does take a bit of force to get it out. I literally have just started to get this side out and I have broken the clip already, which is never a good sign, but yeah, I don't think there's any easy way to get this out. It is a bit of a bastard from what I've sort of seen online. There we have it. What did we do in the end? We broke a few, boys. We did break a few clamps. Oh no, it's a bit of a nightmare. But yes, we have got it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean up this area here. I have got a wrap for this section here, which I don't know whether I'm going to do now or at a later point. I think what I'm going to do now is just get the grill on, see how it looks, and then come back to it at a later point if I want to go ahead and then put the wrap on. I think it's probably going to look quite good without it, but yeah, we'll see how it looks and then we'll make a decision whether I then wrap it or not. I have got the vinyl ready to go in the gloss black, just to give it that really wide mouth look, sort of along the front here. But yeah, we'll see how we get on, and yeah, see how it looks. I'm sure it's going to look pretty sick, so I'll just clean this up now, and yeah, then we'll get the Zunsport on. I don't know what's best for cleaning this. Glass cleaner? I don't really think detail is going to be any good, so I'm going to go with glass cleaner. I know this isn't glass, but this could be a big mistake. Let me know in the comments below. I'm sure it'll be alright. It's actually quite weighty, surprisingly. It's relatively simple. So these clips here that we've got along the grill are going to simply just sit in the gaps on the front of the car. Right boys, so I've sort of provisionally got it in place. I'm just going to go ahead and tighten it up a bit now on this first side. So T15 Torx bit. Yes, boys. So as you can see, we've got the first side in, tucked in very nicely. Now we just need to do the left hand side, and then we'll go ahead and get the number plate stack on, and then we'll work on doing the top one as well. Right lads, so we're just going to try and get the other side in now. Should be okay. Right boys, there we have it. So we've got the Zunsport lower grille onto the car, as you can see. Looks pretty paying. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is get the new number plate stuck on, kind of roughly about there. We'll line it up, get this area all clean, and yeah, stick it on. There we have it, boys. Looking pretty paying, if I must admit myself. I don't know whether I should bring that number plate over a bit. Let me know what you think in the comments below, whether that number plate should come over a bit. I mean, at the moment, you can see here, it starts to go over the curve of the sort of mouth area, so I don't know whether it needs to come over a bit. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it so far. Now the next thing that we're going to do is the top section, so it's the grille just there. Now you've got a couple of choices with this. I've seen people before sort of cut most of this area out, because essentially the grille from Zunsport sits over the top, so you're going to have this grey mesh behind. I've seen some people cut this out and just left with the bottom bit, which is where you drill it onto. But what I think I'm going to do first of all is, again, put it on, see how it looks, and then maybe at a later point change it and cut that bit out. I'm just going to try and get it on for the moment and see how it looks, and then yeah, and then I think if we don't like it, or if it looks pretty shit, then we'll go ahead and change it, so that we'll cut this out, spray this bit black, just so it hides it a bit better. But I think for now, we'll just, like I said, we'll just go over the top for now. And I don't know, I think this bit definitely needs to be wrapped. So again, something I probably won't be doing right now because I need to go out shortly, but something I will be doing at some point in the near future. Yeah, so yeah, let's go ahead and fit the top one now. Right lads, so as you can see, we've got it in place. We're literally just going to try and drill these on. I have my drill is currently out of battery, so yeah, we're going to have to try and do it the old school way and push our way through the plastic. Right boys, so as I said, literally just going to screw these through. First one's gone in pretty good. It's quite a soft plastic on these grills, so it does screws in nice and easily, to be fair. have it then, lads. The car is looking pretty peng, if I say so myself. Quite an easy job to do, actually, thinking about it. The bottom one went on quite well, just a little bit fiddly. Top one's gone on nice and easily. Although I haven't, like I said, I haven't actually gone and cut out the top bit, and I haven't wrapped the bottom bit yet. But it still looks pretty good, I think. So that is where we're going to leave the video for now. If you did go ahead and enjoy the video, or if it helped you out at all when you're coming to fit these yourself, make sure to drop the video a like, subscribe if you haven't already. We're on the road to 1,500 subs, so make sure to subscribe, it means a lot. And yeah, the Focus is starting to come together, it looks pretty paying. Like I said, we just need to go ahead and get that bottom bit wrapped. But what my fear is, well, what I think I'm going to have to do, rather than a fear, is take off my bottom splitter, which is just going to be an absolute nightmare, and I don't particularly want to be doing that. If I can avoid it. I haven't got time now, like I said, so if not, I would be doing it right now. But as I said, I've got to shoot out now, so thank you boys for watching this video. I know I've said that like 5 times, but subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one where we've got some more mods lined up for the Focus. Got the MOT next month, so we've got a big mod coming after that. That should give you an idea of what it is. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.